What's up, y'all? It's Mechanics Garage coming at you. We got another little upgrade on the GTR. So this time what we got is, some of the newer cars come with what they call puddle lights. So it'll be a light coming off of like your side view mirror, and it'll shine like a logo on the ground. So on this car, you actually would replace these lights here, so when you open your door, a light would shine on the ground. So this product we found here is called the 3D shadow lights. So we saw these, thought these are pretty dope. So these, they kind of stick out and point downward, so they would work just like any other puddle light style. So I'm gonna open up the package here, so you can kind of get a gander of what this thing looks like, and then hopefully it can help us figure out how we get that off. So this is what the piece looks like. So look, it just got like some clips on the side, so we should be able to use our normal tool to get this thing off. It looks pretty simple. So I guess it just plugs right in right there in the back. So we're gonna get our panel removal tool. Let's see if we can pop this light out. All right, like I suspected, we just used our panel removal tool, popped it in here, and this light came out. And it's got a plug on the back, push down on the end, pull that old plug out, and here's our lights. We'll probably put these on sale online somewhere, see if someone needs them. They're still in good shape. They haven't burned them down or anything like that, but we'll give it a go. All right, we plugged in our new light. I know that the one I ordered here has got the GTR logo. I don't know which direction it's facing, because it doesn't really tell you which one is like for the left or what for the right door. So we're gonna see if we can unlock the car, activate the light, and see which one of these is shining on here. Let's see. Yeah, that one says it right there. So that is the one we need on this side. Cool beans. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this back in here. See if we can one-hander. They just got these little pop-in clips on the sides. It's being feisty. Trying to pop in here with one hand. There we go. And we'll put this under here so you can see. There's the light right there. That was pretty simple. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, but yeah, that was a pretty simple, cool upgrade. I can't wait to see this at nighttime. So I think I'm gonna hold off on finishing this up, and at nighttime we'll come back and take a look at it and see how it looks. All right, guys, it's a little bit darker now, so we're gonna come and take a look. Yeah, look at that. That's hot. And that's on both sides. We like it. All right, guys, yeah, for some more upgrades and tips and tricks, follow us at the Mechanics Garage on Instagram. Like and subscribe here on YouTube. Thanks for following us and checking us out. See us on the next one. Peace.